Hello everyone, welcome to our channel EME Technologies. Do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon button for latest updates. This is the best time to make yourselves productive, so feel free to contact us for industrial training and summer training for ultra productivity and peak performance.
STAAD design of curved beam structures. Click on new project, space, click on meter, kilonewton, next, click on OK button, click on add beam option, finish, click on create, select irregular structure, curved beam, select XZ direction, enter value for the curved beam, 4 space 5 space 4 in the extraction, 1 space 3 space 4 space 3 in the y directions. Click on OK button and click on curve beam. Now we have created a curve beam, but we have to edit the curve beam. Click on edit button, 3 4 3 space 1. Okay, then click on close button, click on snap node beam option, then draw the beams according to plans. Click on snap node option again, click on snap node option. To off and on the snap node options, click on snap node again, snap node beam option, select again, click on close button. Now we have created a bottom of the structure. Select all the options, go to translational repeat. Okay, first of all we have to add a curve beam. Go to geometry, add beam, add curve beam, save option, save. First of all I have to delete this only created beam, then go to geometry, add beam, curve beam, 3 meter, radius of curvature, gamma angle 90 degree. Click on OK option. Now we have created a curve beam. Then select all the nodes and beam. Go to translation and repeat. Then select G+2 level for that. Select Y direction. Enter a number of steps 3. Each height is of 3 meter. Next select all the structures. Go to translation, repeat. Select in Y direction. Enter number of steps 3. G+2 levels के लिए enter 3 number steps. Link all steps. Click on OK button. Now we have created a curve beam. Then go to 3D option. Next add to the general support type options. Select all beams. Erase. Yes. Next go to support. Create. Add. Select all node beams. Select assign. Yes. All supports have been created. Then go to property tab. Define. Go to rectangular tab. Add here. Of 0.3 by 0.3 mm beam size. Again 0.23 by 0.23 beam size. Add. Close. Click on rectangular size. Select our vertical beams. Then assign. Select our beams. Then assign. Now we have created two properties R1 and R2 and select from the rendered view. Now we have created a curved beam and with the irregular structures. Congratulations, we have created a irregular beam plus curved beam. You can take a picture of the snapshot whole structure. Okay.